This box was sent to us for free from Mindful Mirage Scents. It looks like Fortune Cookie Soap is getting a chance at a second go-round. A company called Mindful Mirage Scents bought out some of the Fortune Cookie Soap product, or at least the recipe. They are making new product. Mindful Mirage was kind enough to send us, along with several other people, I saw it on their Facebook page. I'm wondering if they utilized the mailing list of longtime subscribers from Fortune Cookie Soap. Many people have received this free sample box, and we are excited to have gotten it. This is called In the Loop. It is a whipped body cream. And when I first took a sniff of this, before looking up the scent notes, I liked it. I just could not, for the life of me, place the scent notes. I was like, I know it, but I can't place it. I can't place it. What is it? I looked it up. In the Loop. That should have given me a clue. But it didn't. It's fruity cereal. And as soon as I then went back and took another sniff, I was like, oh, how did I miss that? So we have a sample size of In the Loop fruity cereal. We have their Volcano Body Wash. This is a blood orange scent. And oh, does it smell realistic. I know, don't eat the product, don't eat the product. It does smell good. It really, really does. This is Strawberry Cheesecake Body Glaze. I haven't tried it yet, but the scent is very nice. I'm thinking this will look great on the legs or a hoof. Don't forget my hoofs. There were also 3 of these little packets with a little wooden tester stick inside, and it was stamped with the scent, and supposedly this is how they're also going to help promote upcoming new products. So we had 3 of these, and as near as I can tell, well, they didn't give us the exact scent profile. There's something called Eternal Summer. To us, that had a woodsy scent. There's something called 2826. That had a spicy scent. We liked that one the best of the 3 little sticks. And then Pink Ocean, for me, was a little bit too much on the perfumey side, yet it still was pleasant. So those are the samples from Mindful Mirage Scents. They've also rebranded Fortune Cookie Soap into their lineup, and it's going to be under a subheading on their webpage. The subheading is called Lather and Giggle. I thought that was too stinking cute. They came up with a great idea. We have a whipped body cream Tink, as in Tinkerbell. And it was, I think, black cherry. It's on here somewhere. It's on here somewhere. Coconut and black cherry. Coconut and black cherry. This is Zero from The Nightmare Before Christmas. It is a cuticle oil. As near as I can tell, this has a mint scent. I couldn't find this on their website, but to me it smells like mint, which I think would be a fun cuticle oil. And last but not least, we have Miss Popular Body Scrub. This is very nice too, and it had a scent of golden honey and floral, and the floral was not overpowering. So this was a very nice combination. And it will show up eventually in one of our body scrub battles here on our channel. We're excited for that part too. That's a reason to subscribe to our channel, so you can see how it does. Did you see something that you liked? Let me know, let me know. I'm an inquiring child. I want to know all the details. So what we know is that you need to go check out their website, mindfulmiragesense.com. It is female founded, I believe, and they do have a subscription box. The website says $42 a month, plus I'm presuming tax and shipping. The website says 5 full-size items. The note that came with our free sample box said mini products. So I was trying to email them to get a clarification on that. I have not heard anything back as of the recording of this video. Either way, I am tempted to do that box. We're also tempted to do an order in the near to immediate future. Yeah, go check it out. It is definitely worth checking out. And a great big thank you for sending out this box, not only to us, but as near as we can tell from their Facebook page, a lot of people got a free sample box. So a great big thank you for sending out a lot of free samples. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share with your friends, share with your neighbors. We do hope to see you soon on another video. Thank you for watching today, and catch you later. Which one should I use first? I don't know. Which one should I use first? Oh, decisions, decisions.